Hey guys, welcome to Troy Time. Hey, check it out. Today I got you on here. I want to make a major announcement, so stay tuned for that. And I just want to give you a little bit of a channel update of things that are going on. Right now, we're just transitioning from spring into summer. Our gardens are kicking. They are booming, baby. And I've got a bunch of different prototypes that are just coming out awesome, okay? And we're going to talk about some of that. We're getting videos for all of them. The one you see behind me, that's a SIP. That's a sub-irrigated planter, right? It's a hydroponic hybrid, and it's working awesome. We'll talk about that in another video. It'll get its own video. I've still got 7 or 8 different prototypes to show you that are just working out awesome. We've got a Dollar Tree stackable planter that's so lush and lavish right now, you can't even see the tower. It is like a green tree. It is beautiful. It's absolutely awesome. Maybe I'll show you a pic of that one too. Yeah, so this little guy is one of my favorite gardens right now. This is the medium-sized Dollar Tree stackables, right? You should pick some of these up now so that you can build these gardens because they probably won't be there in June. So I would get 8 of the medium size. That'll run you $6. That'll be 4 2-packs of those for $6. I would also get 8 of the larger size because we got lots of gardens just like the one behind me, and also other ones that we're doing that are hydroponic as well. And then also get 3 of the 6-pack of the large netting pot inserts, the large ones. And with that, you'll be able to build a couple of just awesome gardens, right? And you'll have the supplies before they go away in June. Altogether, you're in for like 20 bucks. So super easy. These are super easy to do. You're going to see the videos coming out soon. But I want you to be able to have the supplies to get it done. All of these are going to have their own video coming up, so you want to stay tuned. You want to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like this video. Share this video with your friends, right? I do a lot of engineering and prototypes, and I'm narrowing in on some final products that I'm just super pleased with that I just don't think can get any better, okay? There are some of them that are coming up. You've seen a couple of the gardens that I've been dealing with. There's some that are coming up that I just absolutely love. They're some of my favorites ever. So definitely subscribe. You don't want to miss any of it. Let's get to this announcement, okay? This is what I want to tell you. I've now activated a Facebook group, okay? This is awesome. I want everyone to go there, and I want it to be just an interactive community. That's my goal. A while back when I first started on social media, I did make a Facebook page for Troy Time 02. It's not what I wanted. I made it a personal page, which was stupid. That's not the way it's supposed to work. Because of that, I was limited to only 5,000 friends, and I hit that within 2 or 3 days. So if you tried to subscribe to that original Troy Time 02 Facebook page and you weren't immediately accepted, don't take it wrong. My channel basically got locked down. At the time, I probably had 5,000 subscribers on that page, and I couldn't accept anymore because it didn't have proper administrator and moderator function set up. So I ended up just locking that down, which is the exact opposite of what I wanted. I wanted an interactive community, and that's what this Facebook group is going to be about. Okay? So the name of the group is Troy Time 02 Plants, Preps, and Pups. Okay, so you want to go there. I'll leave a link in the description. You definitely want to go there, right? I want this to be an interactive space, right? So YouTube is set up sort of top down. So it's like I've done this, and now I'm going to show everyone how to do this. Facebook is more line for I've done this and now I'm going to show everyone else how to do this. And that's perfect. And I'm going to keep going with my YouTube channel, and it's going to be my long video format. But I do want that Facebook group to be there to build the community because that's where we want your input, right? I want to see pictures of your dog. I want to see what you canned last month. I want your canning recipes. I want to see what you've set up for solar power, the things that you've done, all the sort of self-sufficiency stuff. Maybe you've taken some of my gardening ideas and implemented it. I'd love to see that. Maybe some didn't work out. You can ask the questions, hey, what's wrong with this picture? And take a picture of it. I'll give you an answer. Other users may join in and give answers as well. We can have long-form discussions in that Facebook group, and that's what it's for, and it's going to be awesome. I hope all 5,000 people on Troy Time 02 Facebook page jump over to that Facebook group. And if you're not enrolled in the Facebook group, do it today, man. I do a lot of prototyping and I do a lot of different things, and it was always my intent for everyone to join along. For instance, my potato tower, right? The potato tower is great. It's great. It's got 10,000 views, maybe 14, something like that. But I'm doing all kinds of different stuff with it, and I want you guys to do it too. You know, I want someone to jump on here and it'll be like I grew lettuce in it and it drooped down, and someone else to jump in and say, yeah, that's because you can't transplant it. You have to direct sow it and learn things like that. Or else, you know, people can say, hey, I'm making this hydroponic reservoir and I have to attach this to it. What's the best way? And someone will say, well, don't use rubber bands because, you know, those will get destroyed by the sun in 2 weeks. Use hair ties instead. And just everybody kind of crowdsourcing all their ideas so we're all working together. See my videos, when we get to the milk crate tower for potatoes, I'm growing all kinds of different stuff in it this summer, right? So you'll see tomatoes, you'll see squash, all kinds of stuff in in the crate tower, which is awesome, right? And I'm going to make it hydroponic too. So, and you all can be joining along. Someone could say, you know what, I'm going to grow root vegetables in it. I'm going to do some radishes and some turnips or whatever. Other people can say, hey, I'm going to do tomatoes and I'm going to do cucumbers. And you can get feedback, and we can help each other make whatever tweaks we need to at this kind of prototyping stage to get that awesome end product. And so that's what I wanted there for. Also, I want it there for support. You know, it's great if you're talking to other gardeners and you just lost a crop because something happened, maybe some insects got it, or maybe birds got it, or squirrels, or some other issue going on. It's nice to have a community there to say, hey, you know, don't worry, you can do this, you can change this. And we've all experienced and gone through that kind of thing too. Another great reason to both have and be in that Facebook group is because it's a great way of having a quick interaction with people for time-sensitive matters, right? Whether it's breaking news or news of helping people, hey, I can't find any of these things. Where can I find these planters or these nutrients or something like that? Or maybe there's a huge sale going on. Maybe hydroponic nutrients are half off until tomorrow. Previously on the YouTube channel, it would take me, 2 hours just to put out a little 5-minute video. There's a lot that goes in behind the scenes, guys. It takes a long time to do all the video editing and uploading and tagging and all that stuff. It takes a long time for even a short video. But you could do a 30-second post on a Facebook group and let people know of all the different sales that are going on when there's really a time-sensitive component to it. So different breaking news, hey, these stores are out of this, get these, or different reminders like, June, they're not going to have these planters, at the Dollar Tree, you better get them before June, that kind of thing. Things that are of time sensitive, you can put on the Facebook group. People will have that information immediately, especially your sales, things like that, because a lot of them are short-lived, They'll be, Amazon will have, a solar panel that's like it's like a third of the price of normal or something like that. Before, to get that information out before that sale went away was almost impossible, but a Facebook post can do it immediately in 30 seconds. So it's just a better way of conveying that time-sensitive stuff. And then I'm also going to put a lot of different material on there as I'm developing some of these longer videos. You'll see behind the scenes shots where I can show things, just developing in progress. And people can even help guide me at that point. Hey, did you think about putting this type of cover on? Or, different things like that. So behind the scenes shots, money saving stuff, and things that are just very time sensitive, you can put that on Facebook post immediately. So it's going to be a huge benefit for everyone to help just really build that community. I really want to build a community. I really want to build an interactive place where we can all do things together and share stuff. So go subscribe to TroyTime02, Plants, Preps, and Pups, right? And don't just subscribe. Go and get interactive, man. Show us pictures of your dog. Show us pictures of your canning. Show us what you're doing for your preps, right? Show us what you're doing for your food preps. Show us what you're doing for all the self-sufficiency stuff. So go check out that group. You're going to see a lot of stuff that you really like, and let's build that thing and let's make that thing happen. My goal is to get all 5,000 of the subscribers that are currently on the Facebook page to jump over to the Facebook group. So I hope everyone does. I hope that happens soon, and I hope that page continues to grow. Thanks for being here. If that's what we got going on, check back. We're showing more of these gardens this weekend, right? So there's more videos coming soon. But I did want to put this announcement out and just let everybody know what's going on. This is Troy Time, and it's just getting bigger and better. Come along with us, guys. Subscribe and get on board with that Facebook group too. This is Troy Time. Thanks for being here. I'm out.